Boom! B-fam back again with another banging video for my people, my fellow Ethereans across planet Earth. I hope you're doing great. I hope you people are doing greater than great. When you look up great in a dictionary or a definitionary, you're going to see your face in there under greatness. That's right. B-fam said it. Chill. Let's crack on with this video. Now, before I get into the video, you know my people right now, people, right? You know it's Black History Month for my fellow Nubians out there, my fellow Africans out there, people. So for all my people on this channel that are not of African descent, I'd just like to give you guys a heads up. Yeah, it's Black History Month. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I know, it's cool. But we're coming to an end of it. And the thing I would like to say is to all my Nubians, my Africans, and anybody else listening to this channel right now, yeah. Massa has got the cheek to give me and my people a month out of 12 months to celebrate our heritage, our culture, our greatness. What a cheek. What a cheek, right? We don't need Massa, right, to tell us you can go and celebrate your culture for a month and then lock it off. And then none of my people talk about it after then. We don't, hardly anybody will talk about their history, etc. All the programs will stop coming on TV when October done. And back in the day, we didn't even get no programs. But that's cool. That's another story. But what I'm trying to say is we don't need Massa and his freaking cronies, right, to tell me and my people that we can celebrate our culture. We celebrate our culture, our way of life, our greatness anytime we want to. We speak about our stuff any time of the year, not just in October. So this goes out to Massa and his cronies and all my people out there that stop talking about Black history, right, when Black History Month done. Behave yourself, my people. Continue it. Continue teaching your children. Continue talking about our greatness because we don't stop, right? So that's my little rant right there, people. I have to, B-Fam have to give a little rant right now because B-Fam gets pissed off sometimes, man, to be real. I'm being real. Sometimes I get pissed off with certain things out here. Do you know what I mean? It's not right. And I've got to just vent it out, people. I've got to vent it out. But anyway, let's get back to the video. To all my SHIBU INU. In fact, hold on. Let me just pause right there. Thank you to all the new subscribers to the channel. I welcome you. You're here at the right time on the right channel, Ether9 TV, right? B-fam, I'll just give you it straight, innit? I don't mince my words, right? I give people it straight. I'm a real dude, right? I'm a real dude, man. I'm a real guy, right? I ain't into like bull crapping. And anything I say on this video, please don't believe a word I say. I may have made a mistake in my ranting or my research, right? So don't believe a word that I say. Don't take my advice wholeheartedly. Please go out there and do your own due diligence on what I'm saying and what any other people in this ecosphere is saying. I am not a financial advisor, right? I didn't go business school. I ain't got no freaking degree in finance and money and all that stuff. No, I'm just like most of you people out there, right? Just a normal guy doing his thing, trying to live his best life on planet Earth before I get my ticket to the next realm. You know what I'm saying, people? So anyway, Shiba Inu. Now, I was not a meme token coin fan, right? At the beginning of this year. No, I wasn't into meme tokens. I wasn't into Doge. I wasn't into nothing apart from legit real deal projects. But after going down the rabbit hole of these different meme tokens, some of them, and really looking into what some of them are doing, i.e. Shiba Inu. I bought some Shiba Inu a few months back. I said to myself, you know what? SHIBU INU token has more utility than Doge. It's doing much more things than Doge. The community is absolutely heinous. It's large and they are die hard, right? Plus, you've got this meme aspect to it. And when you have the meme aspect to it, people, you combine the meme aspect plus good utility, man, you got a match made in heaven. So that's why right now, if we look at the charts of SHIBU INU, look at this chart, people. Look at this chart, especially my newbies. Now you may be saying, B-fam, what the ras am I looking on? All I see is one big green candle, massive. And I say, yeah, you're damn right, one big green candle. This is a monthly candle chart pattern that we are looking on, people, right? Yeah, if you look down here, SHIBU INU came out August the 1st, according to this chart. This is charts.cointrader.pro, right? August the 1st last year, people, right? Yo, now we are up here, people. I'm lost for words. All I got to say is, if I pull out the tool here on the left-hand side, we scroll down and we look for price range, right? So we look for price range, people. We tap on price range. We go to August the 1st down here and we click the mouse and then we drag up the tool all the way up here at the top to where it is right now, people. Guess what we see? We see cheese and bread. Hold on, people. Hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. You know what we see, people? This is some crazy percentage, people. This is some crazy percentage, people. This is 80,000. All right, 79,000, right? But I'm going to just round it off, right? 80,000%, people. You heard me right. 80,000%, right? Hold on. Let me just make sure I've got my numbers right. Yeah. 80,000%. You would have made 800 times your money if you had bought SHIBU INU last year, August, people. Do the maths. Get your calculators out, people. Get your calculators out and punch in whatever number you're punching in, right? But whatever number you punch in, you times it by 800, right? And see what number you come out with. This is what you call exponential growth in cryptocurrencies. That's why when you tell your friends and your family and associates about these returns, people will look on you, especially if they don't know about crypto, and you're telling them about these sorts of returns, right? It's mind-boggling. People will look at you like, yo, what kind of scam behavior scheme you're trying to tell me about? Because they don't know, and it sounds ridiculous, people. It sounds ridiculous until you and I have skin in the game and we experience some of these gains and losses, right? You can't forget the losses, right? You can't forget the losses. So, but we're talking about gains right now, right? So, when you experience some of these gains, you've gone through the experience. And experience, as you and I know, people, is our best teacher. Once you've gone through something, there's nobody on this planet can tell you otherwise because you have experienced it. So you know it's real to you. Nobody else, but to you. So, this is a weekly candle, people. Weekly chart. You can't even see the candles back in last year. Look, you can't even see them, people. Let's get this thing off. All right, I don't want to put too much stuff on here. Come on. 1 second. Delete that. Right. So let's go down to the weekly chart of SHIBU. Jeez. Look at this weekly candle, people. Look. We started at the week at 0.000035 and change. Now we at 0.000077. People, let's get the measuring tool out again. Just for this week, at the beginning of this week, let's just have a little measure. right? 1 second, people. Just give me 1 second. I'm expecting a call or a message from a friend of mine. Just checking my phone. In fact, let me turn off my Wi-Fi so it doesn't disturb myself and my fellow Ethereans out there. Forgive me, forgive BFam. Right now, let's take this measuring tool now. Woohoo! Yee-hee. Look at this thing. So we've done 100%, people. We've done 120% since the beginning of this week. Since Monday. Today's Wednesday, by the way, over here in Londinium, the 27th of October. Yeah? 27th of October, people. We're getting up to that Halloween crap. BFAB don't deal with that Halloween crap. I don't deal with the dead. I ain't got time for the dead. I only got time for the living out here, people. Right? I don't deal with ghouls and goblins and warlocks. I ain't got time for that crap. No, 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 no. And by the way, if you want to know the origins of Halloween, I suggest you go and check out the Halloween. I can't remember the name of the book. It's called the Halloween Scroll. I think it's called Halloween. Halloween. Something Halloween Scroll. Anyway, by Dr. Malachi Z. York. Go and check it out, people, and check out the origin of Halloween. Just Google it and see what you find, because it's a bit gruesome, people. It's a bit bloody. It's a bit gorish. And I don't want to be sending my children out there to be tricking and treating. I ain't got time for that crap. No, 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 no. We don't deal with that. Not in this household, people. Not in this household. Now, for some of your people out there that might celebrate it, yo, that's on you. Yeah, that's on you. Do your thing. Everybody's different out here, right? Do your thing. Do your thing. But hear what? Not everything is for everybody. And Halloween ain't for BFAM. But let's get back to some crypto. Let's get back to some crypto. 120% in a week, in about 3 days from Monday. 120%. That's from SHIBU. One coin out of over 10,000 coins, people. Crazy money. Crazy, heinous percentage. Right? So, for all my SHIBU INU holders, congrats. And for those people that don't know about SHIBU INU, especially for you newbies that ain't got a clue, that's just tuned into BFAM, Ether9 TV, I highly suggest that you go and do some research on SHIBU INU. Now, I ain't going to go through it right now because it's going to make this video too long. But one thing I have to say, my fellow Ethereans, do not, and I repeat, do not buy any token unless you're a professional trader. This goes out to my newbies. For you traders out there, right, that know what you're doing, this is not for you. This is for the newbies out there, right? The entered apprentice, the AA, the EAs out here, people who just entered into the cryptosphere, the neophytes, and I ain't talking about the Matrix either, right? So do not buy any token, SHIBU INU, or any other token or coin that you see has gone up like this, people. A big, this is a daily chart now, people. We are looking at a daily time frame. For the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, in fact 6 days, this thing has been pumped. You have to respect the pump. Respect the pump, right? But if you don't know what you're doing, as I said, do not buy, the 6th green candle in a day. No. Because why? There's a high probability sooner or later we're going to have a little cool off. So if you buy up here, tomorrow it may be down here, right? You don't want to do that. Now, if it just broke out, then that's a different story. But this is broken out 5 days ago, 6 days ago, people, right? So it's due for a cool off soon. Not financial advice, but it's a bit more high risk to buy at these high points. It's better to be patient, wait for a chill out period, when the token or coin is taking a breather, like back down here. Back down here, we pumped and then we chilled out. It consolidated for a period of time, chilling out before it got some breath to make another pump move up to the upside, right? So that's what happens with these tokens. In a bull run, more than likely they go up. In a bear market, when they're chilling out, consolidating, after that consolidation period, guess what? They go down, right? More high probability they go down. Why? Because we're in a bear market as opposed to a bull market. Bear market is when prices are going down. Bull market is when prices are going up. That's the difference, people, for all my newbies out there who didn't know what I'm talking about, bull and bear. What's this guy talking about, bull and bear? What's he talking about, a farm? A zoo? Forgive me. It's just that City of London, Wall Street talk that they do. I didn't come up with bears and bulls, people. Please, B fam is just passing on the info to you, right? Anyway, so that's Shibu talk. Enough of Shibu talk. In fact, let's go and have a look at Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin is doing. Let's have a look at Bitcoin and see what Bitcoin's doing. I'll tell you what Bitcoin's doing. The last few videos I've done, a few days back, Bitcoin was at 65, 66. Look where we are now. It's done a whole 9 grand, 8 grand, 10 grand retracement, people. Yeah? That's what crypto does. Don't get too excited when you see things are pumping up. I told you. What happens? Move to the upside, equal opposite move to the downside. Boom. So right now we're at 58,900 and change. Ethereum was at like 4,200 the other day. Now 3,900. Now, nothing to worry about, my people. This is how assets move. This is how crypto moves, people, right? Nothing goes up in a straight line. Nothing goes down in a straight line. Now, going by the charts here, this is a 4-hourly chart on the Bitcoin. This is on tradingview.com for all those people who would like to know. It's free to use. They do have a paid service, but beef and not need to pay for that. I'm good with their free service. It's good enough for me. And plus, Coin Charts Pro, that's a totally free service, and it's the same thing, people. So, what am I paying for something for when I can get it for free? It don't make sense, does it? No. So, now there's a possibility, a high probability, that we could come back down and retest the right around the 54s, around $54,000, people, give or take, right? If we go down to 54 and it holds, great. If we go down to 54 and it doesn't hold, well, we got another thing to worry about, people. Right? Yeah, it may come back down to like, whew, I mean, after 54, people, we're talking 50s, isn't it? We're talking about around 50s, right? And let's hope it holds support around there. If not, it's back down to Goblin Town. Yeah, but we'll see. I have confidence more on a higher probability side that we will return back to the upside very, very shortly, right? In the next, week or two. Now, this is a weekly chart. As you can see, this week is a bit of a downturn still, but the week hasn't finished yet. So things may change, By the end of this week, this red candle may turn green. We don't know. You have to give things time. You have to make things play out. These candlesticks, people, you have to give them time depending on what time frame you are looking on. But as I said, going by the pattern, going by the volume, going by just the structure of this whole thing, it looks like if we don't hold support around 58,000, then we're going to go down and say hello to the 54,000. But don't panic, my people. Don't panic. Why? Because all of that money flows out to the other tokens that you can see, just like SHIBU INU, booming. I mean, look at it. The last 7 days, 167% in the last 7 days, people. Come on. Give the middle finger to the banks. We don't need them. We got cryptocurrency, people. Yeah. Anyway, so that's Bitcoin, right? Now, yesterday, my cousin phoned me up while I was out on the road doing some work, and he said to me, Kazi, man, have you seen the Metro newspaper? Now, I don't take the trains, right? For all those people that don't know, the Metro newspaper is a free newspaper that is handed out on, I think, the buses and definitely the trains, the tube line over here in London. Now, I hardly take bus and tube. Why? Because I got a van and I got a car, right? So I hardly take the bus and the train, right? I can't even tell you when last I've taken a bus and a train, right? So I don't come across the Metro. I really don't. So my cousin phoned me up and said, "Yo, there's a cryptocurrency advertised on the first page of the Metro newspaper," and he says it's AfroStar. Have you heard of it? I said, "No, I ain't heard of AfroStar, cuzzy. News to me. First time I heard about it from your mouth." So I said, "All right, I'll look into it. I'll have a look." Now I haven't looked into it fully, but I'm on a few Telegram and WhatsApp groups to do with cryptocurrency and investing, and somebody posted it in there as well. So I was like, all right, yeah, I saw this yesterday. My cousin told me about this, etc., etc., etc. Right? So this is it, afrostar.io, people. Just giving you people a heads up, my fellow Ethereans, because I like to keep you up to date with what's going on as best as I can, because in this cryptocurrency blockchain world, things move at the speed of darkness, people. Real fast out here. It's no joke. No joke at all. I can't keep up with it. That's why I need some of you guys to step up to the plate, get knowledgeable about crypto, blockchain, etc., and start your own YouTube channel, TikTok, whatever. Get this information out there. We all are a part of this, people. So the more of us getting involved and pushing this information out there to the average people, the more of us will benefit, people. The more of us will benefit. Yeah, the more wealth for more people out here. But I need your help, because, as I said, you may come across something that I may not have come across. So you may shout at me and tell me, "Yo, B fam, have you heard of this, that? Look into this." And I appreciate that. I need that. I need help. I mean, don't get me wrong. I've got all my other fellow YouTubers out there doing their thing, and I get help from them by watching their videos, right? And taking what they're saying and go down the rabbit hole to what they're saying and see what I come up with, right? But the more the merrier, people. The more the merrier. So go and check out afrostar.io in your own time. And another one to go and check out is Infinity Token. Another friend of mine told me about this. I haven't looked into it fully, right? But this is dealing with cryptocurrency, Bitcoin and Ethereum mining. You basically get paid out in Ethereum for holding the tokens. And the reason why they're paying you out in Ethereum, because they're buying miners to mine Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they will pay you out in Ethereum for being a part of the Infinity Token ecosphere. That's all I know. I haven't looked into it fully, etc., etc., etc. Right? Going back to AfroStar, it's, let me just give you the address of Infinity. So it's infinitytoken.io. It's already launched. It came out of about a week, 2 weeks ago. AfroStar, I think they started yesterday their sales of their token. Right? Yeah. Available on launch 26th of October, so which was yesterday. Now they are targeting Africa, my homeland, my people, right? So they are targeting the continent of Africa, just like Cardano. For all my newbies out there, if you don't know what Cardano is, I suggest you highly look into what Cardano is, right? Up and coming cryptocurrency, layer one blockchain, right? And right here, it's number 5 in coin market cap, priced right now at $1.94. The all-time high back in May was around $2.50. Cardano, they are homing in just like Afrostar on the continent of Africa. They've got links with government officials, and I think it's in Kenya, right? And they're in there, people. They're in there. They've been working on this since either 20 late 2016 or 2017. Definitely 2017 when I got in, when the project started. So go and check out Cardano for all my newbies out there. Also, before I finish with Afrostar, this is Darren Winters. Darren Winters is the CEO of Afrostar. When you're doing your research, people, make sure you look into the team behind it to see if the team is qualified to do what they say they want to do, right? And if they don't have a working product, you know, it's better that they have a working product. But a lot of cases, I've put money into projects that haven't had a working product and it's turned out okay. And some projects it hasn't. So you gotta, make that decision. But this is Darren Winters. He is apparently a top trader for around 10, 20 years. And, you know, he's taught many people about Forex trading, etc., stock market, etc. So go and check him out. This is a website called thetrutheaboutdarrenwinters.com. Yeah, I just started to take a look into Mr. Winters to see what he's about. Paul O'Mahony. I hope I murdered your name, Paul. Ambassador Wallace, yeah, Nigeria. He's an ambassador to Nigeria. And we're going to talk about Nigeria right now. We're going to talk about Nigeria. Niger, man. Niger's out there. Love you to the max. Love you. Right? Anyway. So that's Afrostar. Go and check it out. Anyway. I like saying anyway. Anyway. Right? Nigeria. Let's talk about Nigeria. Because about 4 or 5 months ago, people, I done a video, right? You can go and check it out in my previous videos, talking about Nigeria and how they were banning cryptocurrency, right? Banning cryptocurrency. Just pause. I'm going to pause the video for 1 second, people. I have just got to pop to the loo. I know, it's bad, isn't it? It's bad, but come on, man. We all got to go piss at number 2 sometimes. Pause it right there. I'll be back. All right, so BFM is back. So as I was saying, a few months ago, about 4, 5, 6 months ago, I done a video to say that Nigeria, they are banning cryptocurrency. And I said in that video, it's pure fun. They ain't banning a ass. Yeah? They ain't banning no cryptocurrency. Now, what do we have here, people? What do we have here? Nigeria's new digital currency was developed by an Overstock.com subsidiary. My words are terrible. Damn English language. Anyway, Nigeria's central bank launched a digital currency on Monday. Yo, Monday, just a few days ago, my people. Yo, crazy. That is designed to be used alongside its physical currency. You don't say. Oh, what? Can you believe that, people? Hold on a minute. So, the big people in Nigeria, the big bosses, yeah, they came out with info to say, blockchain, man, that crypto, that Bitcoin thing, it's gotta go, man. We're gonna ban that thing here, right? And now they've done a 360-degree U-turn to say, we've just come out with our own digital eNAIRA. eNAIRA, electronic Naira, was officially announced via a press release issued by the Central Bank of Nigeria. This is coming from the Central Bank of Nigeria, people. Niger. Do me a favor, man. I told you, people. You got, especially my newbies out here, right? You have to be very wary of FUD. It stands for fear, certainty, and doubt. They will push misinformation out here to the masses, right? To make you think negative about certain things in this space, people. So be very wary. I've seen this crap so much times, man. I knew it was crap. They ain't banning no blockchain. They ain't banning no cryptocurrency. Why? Because if they do, their whole economy will go down to zilch over the years. Because everybody's gonna adopt blockchain and cryptocurrency in one way or another. Every freaking country on this planet. Mark my words, people. Mark my words. Anyway, a central bank digital currency is a type of cryptocurrency that's controlled by a country's central bank. Did you hear that, people? Whoever wrote this, they got that bit right. It's controlled by the country's central bank. The eNAIRA is controlled by the country's central bank. Not like when you got your Bitcoin or your Ethereum. Guess who controls that? If it's in your own wallet, guess who controls that, people? You do. You do. No middleman. Nobody can tell you you can't send this money, your Bitcoin, your Ethereum, etc., or your SHIBU INU to that person. No. We send that money. We send my SHIBU INU to wherever I want to. You can't stop me. That's how we like it, right? Now, they may put up stumbling blocks. They may do that. But guess what? When you put up a block, guess what you do? You go either you go through it, you go over it, you go under it, or you go around it. That's what we do with blocks here, people. We don't let blocks stop us here. No, not on this channel, right? We ain't built like that. No. So anyway, that's just a brief intro on what's going on in Nigeria, people. So Nigeria's got their that's before let's get this straight. A so-called quote third world country, Nigeria, has now got their own CBDC, yeah, central bank digital currency. We ain't even got that over here in the first so-called quote first world in Londinium, England, or the States, the New York, America, North and South America. They ain't got that yet. No. I tell you, man. And they got a cheat to call these places third world. God damn, man. I'm telling you, man. It's a joke, man. It's a joke. Anyway, so this is what's going down. Paper money is running alongside the digital money right now, people, in Nigeria. It just started. Apparently, all 200 million people will be asked to download a wallet on their phone. That's what's going down, people. Yeah. Anyway, that's the end of the video. This was a quick video, people. Just a quick video. And by the way, for all my newbies and some of you olders out here that's been in crypto for a hot minute, if you haven't, you need to go and check out tokenmetrics.com. Link will be in the description of this video. Mr. Ian Bellina, the founder of tokenmetrics.com, he has a free, that's right, FREE, a free ebook for anybody that wants it. So, if you want the paper version, you have to pay for that. But if you want the free version, ebook, it's free, people. Now, this is going out to anybody that's in cryptocurrency. I don't care whether you just stepped into this game for the first few hours, a few weeks, a few months, or a few years. It doesn't matter. You learn something by reading his book. So, go and check it out. And also, for all my book lovers out there, go and check out The Mind. This is a book that's called The Mind, written by Dr. Malachi Z. York. Now, if you want a glimpse into the mind, right, on how it works, on how you can control it much better, instead of it controlling you, right, it's the most powerful thing in existence, your mind. Once you and I know how our minds operate, guess what? Guess what? That's some real badass power, people. Real power. I ain't talking about 50 cents friggin' series, the power. No, I ain't talking about that. Which is it's alright. It's alright. I seen the first one. I still got to watch the rest, but big up 50. 50. Get this crypto or die trying. Anyway, go and check out the Mind Scroll for all those people who are interested. If you're not interested, don't worry about it, people. It's okay. It's all right. And if you are, link in the description for Dr. Malachi Z. York's books. Link it in the description. And by the way, if you're lacking on money, go to Scribd, SCRIBD.com. I think you pay like $5, $10, whatever a month it is, and you can get access to all the books that they have available on their platform. Some audio books and some reading books, and they have a lot of Dr. Malachi Z. York's books on there. It will blow your mind, people. It will blow your mind. Look at this. Look at these titles: The 9 Principles in Human Being. For all my spiritual people out there, the esoteric people, right, that want to learn about that side of stuff, it's there, right? If you're a physical person, yeah, it's cool. If you're both, it's cool, you know. So check it out. The Melanite children. What did I say? Yo, Black History Month or Black Story Month or Our Story Month. It's not just for the month. Melanite children. Check it out. Supreme Mathematics. We deal with Supreme Mathematics because if you don't know Supreme Mathematics, how are you going to get your portfolio to 1 million and then take that 1 million and turn that 1 million into 100 million and then turn that 100 million into 1 billion and then turn that billion into 1 trillion? How are we going to do that without Supreme Mathematics, people, and with a bit of crypto and getting your mind right? So anyway, that's that for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope BFam didn't rant on too much today. I try to make these videos as short as I can, but sometimes I just got to get it out of my system and tell you lot what's on my mind. Sometimes I just got to get it out. Forgive me, forgive me, forgive me. Leave some comments in the comment section for videos and stuff that you want to see. Any questions that you have, put it in the comments. I'll return your comments to you with hopefully with a good answer, right? Make sure you click the notification bell. Smash up the likes. As always, if you don't like the video, be honest and just smash up the dislike. Be honest, because BFam, I thrive off honesty, right? So be honest with yourself. If you say, yo, BFam, man, yo, brother, yo, that video was dry as friggin' pie pastry. Yo, just smash up the dislike, my brother. It's okay. It's okay. I won't be upset. I'll just turn it upside down and your thumbs down will be a thumbs up in my eyes. So it's nothing to worry about. It's no skin off my nose. Anyway, BFam, I gotta love you. I got to leave you, my people, but I'll be back. Just like Arnold Schwarzenegger from the Terminator. I'll be back. Boom. Peace.